Hello friends, welcome to Brain Scoop channel and our today's topic is artifacts in CT scan imaging. What is an artifact? A structure or a substance not normally present but produced by an external agent or action is known as an artifact. CT artifacts. Artifacts can degrade image quality, affect the perceptibility or detail, or even lead to misdiagnosis. An artifact is a distortion or error in an image that is unrelated to the subject being imaged. CT artifacts can arise from a number of sources, including the patient, inappropriate selection of protocols, reconstruction processes, equipment malfunctions, or imperfections, and the limitation of physics. There are certain classification of artifacts which are as follows. The number one is the physics-based artifacts, results from the physical processes involved in the acquisition of CT data. Next is the patient-based artifact, caused by the patient movement, presence of metallic materials or in or on the patient. Third one is the scanner-based artifacts, results from imperfections in scanner functions. Fourth one is the helical or multi-section artifacts produced by the image reconstruction processes. Let us talk about some of the artifacts in detail. The first one is the streak artifact. Streak artifacts at interface between high density material surrounded by low density material. System unable to process high spatial frequency signal required for sharp edges. Common sites of streak artifacts are tense bone and surrounding tissues, bowel loops with contrast, blood vessels with IV contrast, and areas around biopsy. What are the major issues that are involved in streak artifacts and how they are caused? One of the basic assumptions in CT scanning is that each detector at every position will observe some transmitted radiation. If a high density material severely reduces the transmission, the detector may record no transmission. This violates the basic assumption and reconstruction programs will not able to account for such a violation and streaks will appear in the image. This is known as the streak artifact. Like this is an example of streak artifact. The streak from the biopsy needle during the CT guided abdominal biopsy. So the image, as we can see, there are presence of streaks like structures and thus causing an artifact. The next one is the metal artifacts. Metal artifacts or metal streak artifacts are caused by multiple mechanisms including beam hardening, scatter, poison noise, motion and edge effects. Metal artifacts can be reduced using iterative reconstruction. So metal artifacts are also an example or a type of a streak artifact. There are some examples of metallic artifacts which are dental filling and procath devices. Ring artifact. What is a ring artifact? Ring artifacts are the result of the miscalibration of one detector in a rotate geometry scanner, that is the third generation CT. So yeah, as I have said, a miscalibrated or detector element creates a bright or a dark ring centered on the center of rotation. This can sometimes stimulate pathology. Usually the recalibrating the detector is sufficient to fix this artifact, although occasionally the detector itself needs to be replaced. This is an example of ring artifact where a ring can be seen here. So, if a detector is miscalibrated, it will record incorrect data in every position or every projection. This misinformation is reconstructed as a ring in the image with the radius of the ring determined by the position of the faculty or the faulty detector in the detector array. Faulty detectors in rotate fixed units also record false information. The next artifact is the beam hardening artifact. Now, what is a beam hardening artifact? Beam hardening in CT arises due to the polychromatic X-ray beam. As a beam passes through the body, lower energy photons are attenuated more easily and the remaining higher energy photons are not attenuated as easily, causing what we see as an artifact. So, by increasing the overall energy of the beam, that is the kV, we can reduce this artifact. So, how is a beam hardening artifact caused? Unfortunately, the X-ray beam producing in the CT image is not a monochromatic beam. The beam contains X-rays with many energies, although we speak of the average energy of a CT X-ray beam being about 70 keV. As a heterogeneous X-ray beam passes through the patient, the low energy photons are rapidly absorbed. This means the X-ray beam exiting the patient contains a lower percentage of energy photons than the beam when it entered the patient. Thus, effect is called the beam hardening. Next one is the motion artifact. Motion artifact can be anything from voluntary motion caused by the patient, that is head movement, improper breathing, etc., to involuntary motion such as peristalsis or cardiac motion. Proper patient education can only reduce voluntary motion or by applying immobilization techniques. Improved techniques such as faster pitch can reduce the presence of involuntary motion, or as in the cardiac CT, a technique that monopolizes the at rate position of the QRS complex. Look for a future presentation solely devoted to cardiac CT. So, in CT, patient motion has a devastating effect on the image quality. This is the primary reason for developing faster scan units. When the patient moves during a scan acquisition, the reconstruction program has no ability to make appropriate corrections because motion is random and unpredictable. The reconstructed image will display as an object in motion as a streak in the direction of motion, thus causing the motion artifact. Here are some examples of motion artifact. This is all for today. If you like this video, please like and share, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates. Thank you.